Namaste, hello and welcome everyone. I am Dr. Ashish Sharbat, the Senior Joint Replacement Surgeon in Jahangir Hospital, Pune. Here, we have got the best of the tech from the world of orthopedics, the Mako version 2 for precise joint replacements. Friends, Jahangir Hospital and Jahangir Group has always been in the forefront in getting the cutting-edge technology in all the departments, let it be cardiology, gastroenterology, radiology, and now orthopedics. Our team of expert surgeons and anesthetists are dedicated towards the modern inventions in orthopedics. We here focus on precise intervention in the patient's benefit. What benefits the patient? Number one, the minimally invasive surgeries. The first started in Jahangir by me, and to add to it, the cutting edge technologies which this part of the world does not have. So first time we are introducing the latest robotic system, especially for hip replacements and of course the knee replacements. None of the systems give the preciseness that the Mako offers, and at Jahangir we also are into considering the robotics at a price sensitive effect. Robotics should not be costly. It should be available to the common person, because health is a primary right, and if we can give the technology available to everyone at an affordable price with the best trained team in India, especially Western India, that's our motto. Add to it with minimally invasive surgeries combined with the latest technology and ever evolving medical field, we at Jahangir always will strive to take the tech and the patient results, of course, towards the other level. Other level is longevity of the implants that we are considering, less admission time, less blood loss. Even our anesthesia team is equipped with the most high-tech technology for having all these surgeries in a conscious state, where only that particular region is giving anesthesia. And with the expertise of the systems like the Mako and the minimally invasive surgeries, especially in the hips, we are finding a complete different realm of results which will benefit the patients, which will definitely give us a cutting edge. We can teach better, we can learn better, and here with the best robos in the market, here we are with the cutting edge technology of the Mako for hip and knee replacements, and with our expert team, we are here to serve humanity at a very affordable price. Thank you, and take the benefit of the new tech.